Namaste, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಟು ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್, and this is very long gap. So after a very long time I'm here. Firstly, I would like to ask sorry and apologies for this long gap. I'm really sorry for this one. Let's start with the today's session. So what are we going to start with this video? So today's session. So we will be covering the grammar topics in Kannada. So we'll go a little bit into detailing. This video is exclusively for children, but it can be used for adults also. So adults, if you are watching this video, then it will be useful for you also. And since we are covering the grammar concept, this may not be that useful for the children below 8 years old. But however, you can play this video for them, and if they understand, that's well and good. If not, just let them take time and let them go at their comfortable pace. So do not hurry or do not rush your children to learn the concept immediately. Fine. So let's start in today's topic. So as we talk about the grammar, the first thing that comes to our mind is a noun. So we will be starting our video, our lessons, our learning from the noun. There is already a few more videos, few of the videos that I have already uploaded in my channel, which talks about the noun. But from this series, it will be more into the detailing of the noun. So before starting with the noun, I just want you all to recall and revise what you know about the noun with respect to the English grammar. So there are multiple types, varieties, different types of a noun. And noun, when it comes to your mind, it is a name of it's a naming word, name of a place, animal, things, words, all these things, right? Yes. So first, let's understand, let's know what is noun in Kannada. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ noun ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾಮಪದ. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ noun ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾಮಪದ. I'll write in English also. So ನಾಮ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಸರು. ಹೆಸರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ name. ನಾಮ is ಹೆಸರು. ಹೆಸರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ name. ಪದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ word. Fine. So ಹೆಸರನ್ನು ಸೂಚಿಸುವ ಪದ. The word that indicates the name. ಸೂಚಿಸುವ, that indicates the name of a ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ. ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ is a person. ಸ್ಥಳ. ಸ್ಥಳ is a place. I can also say jaga. ಪ್ರಾಣಿ. ಪ್ರಾಣಿ is animal. Pakshi. Pakshi is a bird. Vastu. Vastu is a thing. So basically, noun is a naming word which indicates the name of these things. Okay, na? Sorry for the handwriting. I hope you can understand. I'm really sorry about that one. So, idu basic definition of a noun. So, understand, noun andre namapada. ಹೆಸರನ್ನು ಸೂಚಿಸುವ ಪದ. I'll write it here. ಹೆಸರನ್ನು ಸೂಚಿಸುವ, that is indicate. ಪದ, the word that indicates name is namapada. Simple definition. Okay na? Fine. So ivaga, when it comes to the English, we have a proper noun, we have a common noun, we have a concrete noun, we have an abstract noun, we have a countable, uncountable, we have a collective, material, alva. So illi we have a different set of a noun. I can't directly translate or directly take the types of a noun from English and join for Kannada. Adagadilla. So we'll learn in a different way for Kannada grammar. So first you understand this. So illi give you the name of a person. You can take your name, I'll take my name. That is Yashaswini. I'll take my name. Sthala, I'll take Bengaluru. You can take any place. Chennai, Kerala, Odisha, West Bengal, Sri Lanka, London, South Africa, anything. Next, Prani, I'll take Nai, which is a dog. You can take Bekkoon, Simha, lion, Huli, tiger, Kage, crow, Gubachi, sparrow. That is Pakshi. Vastu, I'll take money. Money is a house. Kitaki, window, bagilu, door, anything. Okay. So these are the root words, alva, which will tell us what is this exactly. Okay. For these kind of words, which directly tell us what is the object. ಅದು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, that I call as a Nama Prakruti. Remember this, very important. Prakruti here refers to the form, the root form, the original form. The original form of a noun is called Nama Prakruti. Then you can ask me, ma'am, shouldn't I say this as a noun? We can, but as we go into the detailing of the noun, this is called as a Nama Prakruti, not just a Namapada. Nama Prakruti. Now, I'll add few word for this. I'll take money for example, okay? For money, I'll add u. Again for money, I add annu. Again for money, I add alli. Again for money, I add inda. So if you are in 4th or 5th grade, above 4th grade, then you would know what is this. So adding 2 words will give me one compound word, alva? So what do I call this word? This word I understood. This is Nama Prakruti, alva? So what is this? That is Avyaya or Vibhakti Pratyaya. Vibhakti Pratyaya. I have already taught you in the old classes, the old videos, we have about the Vibhakti Pratyaya. So these u, annu, alli, inda are like a suffix. I'm adding that to my root word to get one big compound word. Okay? So mane plus u will become maneyu. Mane plus annu will become, yes, maneyannu. Mane plus alli will become maneyalli. Very good. Mane plus inda will become maneyinda. Okay? This, the compound word, the final word is called as Namapada. See, this is advanced learning. If you are in a beginner, just remember these things is Namapada. If you are a beginner. If you are in a 6th, above 6th grade, then remember you should learn this. So this is called as Nama Prakruti, original form. To that I am adding the suffix which is called as a Vibhakti Pratyaya. Like this, these are the examples. Okay, so that will give me the root, the one final word. That word is called as a Namapada. This is very, very important. This is a detailed learning of a Namapada. Fine. So I'll stop it here. Now we are not learning any types of a Namapada. I'll stop it here. Try to understand, take out your textbook, find the words, write it, make it 3 columns. One column is for a Nama Prakruti, second column is for the Vibhakti Pratyaya, third column is for the final word. And if you are an adult, if you don't have a textbook, that's completely fine. You can also get the textbook from the website called KTBS, which gives the Kannada textbook. You can choose any of the grade, select the textbook and download it, or you can take a newspapers and you can just try to split the word. Fine. So this activity is very important. Do this activity and send a mail to me, yashaswikannadavaani@gmail.com. I'll do the corrections and I'll let you know if there are any corrections needs to be there. Fine. So this is about the Nama Prakruti, Namapada that we learned in today's class. So please make sure that you are very good and comfortable in this topic before coming to the next lesson and the next video. Fine. So thank you so much. If you have any doubt, please feel free to comment in the comment section, or you can write a mail to yashaswikannadavaani@gmail.com. I'll be there to help you. It might take a little bit of a time to reply to your comments or to the email. I'm really sorry about that one. See you in the next class, next video. Make sure you are ready with this one for the next class. Thank you so much. Namaste. From Yashaswi Kannadavaani, there are many e-books that is being launched, even for children as well as adults. So for adults, the Spoken Kannada ebook part 1 is being launched, and the link for this is mentioned in the description box. Please go check it out, the description box, and purchase the book. The one speciality thing of this book is in a colloquial version, and this is the one and only book and the first book which is available in the market which is in a colloquial version, just not in a written version. Make use of this book. Along with, also follow my Instagram page to get the spoken Kannada lessons for the adults. I hope this will be very useful for you, and the book is in a very affordable price. And for the children, there are storybook level 1, level 2, vocabulary book, and the tense book is been there. Please make use of these ebooks. Again, link for all these books is been mentioned in the description box. Please go check out the description box and make use of these books. These books will help your children to make the sentence structures in a proper way, improves their language fluency, improves their vocabulary in a language, and actually it will bring too much of interest to them in Kannada learning. So make use of these books for your children. And there are workshops which is available in the YouTube itself in a playlist named Workshop 1 and Workshop 2. If your child is really struggling with the basics like a Vandamale, Kagunita, Vattakshura, Arkavali, words, make use of these workshop. Link for these workshop is mentioned in the description box. Please make sure you will go to the description box and use all these links. Workshop is a free of cost. It is available in the YouTube itself, and all the ebooks it will be, you have to pay and use those books. There is a sample copy for everything. You can just look into the sample copy and you can purchase. Like ಮಾಡಿ, share ಮಾಡಿ, subscribe ಮಾಡಿ. So knowledge will gain only by sharing the knowledge. So children, if you have learned something, teach to your friends also, and this will help you in your gaining the knowledge. So thank you so much, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Click on the notification, so that click on the bell link so that you will get notified as and when I upload the videos. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.